This is a story that I have recently published. قصة بسيطة تعليمية بها كثير من المعاني تستفيد من عندها لتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. القصة بها سياق شرق أوسطي، وهي بناء على قصة بساط السحري. هذه القصة سميتها The Magic Carpet of Baghdad. خلينا نجي نقرأها. طبعا إذا تلاحظ القصة باللغة العربية واللغة الإنجليزية هناك بعض الأخطاء، سامحوني عليها، لكن هي بها مادة تعليمية ومفردات مفيدة جدا. In the bustling city of Baghdad, there lived a young boy named Omar. Omar loved to explore the markets and bazaars of the city, but he longed for a grand adventure. One day, he met a mysterious old man in the marketplace who offered him a ride on a magic carpet. Omar was hesitant at first, but the old man promised that the carpet would take him on a journey he would never forget. Omar agreed, and the old man led him to a small shop filled with beautiful carpets of all colors and patterns. The old man pointed to a red and gold carpet in the corner of the shop and said, "This is the magic carpet that will take you on your adventure." Omar, but be warned, it will only take you to one destination of your choosing. Choose wisely. Omar looked at the carpet in amazement. It was beautiful, with intricate patterns and shimmering threads. He thought for a moment and then said, "I want to visit the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. I have heard they are the most beautiful gardens in the world." The old man nodded and helped Omar onto the carpet. He whispered a few words in a language Omar did not understand, and suddenly the carpet lifted off the ground and began to fly. Omar was amazed as he soared over the city and into the desert beyond. He saw sand dunes stretching as far as the eye could see. And then suddenly he saw greenery and trees in the distance as they approached the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Omar couldn't believe his eyes. The gardens were even more beautiful than he had imagined. There were trees, flowers, and waterfalls cascading down into sparkling pools. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the sound of birds filled the air. Omar spent hours exploring the gardens, taking in all of the sights and sounds. As the sun began to set, he knew it was time to return home. He thanked the old man and the magic carpet and promised to never forget his incredible adventure. The next day, Omar couldn't stop thinking about the magic carpet and his adventure to the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. He knew he wanted to go on another adventure, but he didn't know where to go next. Just then, he heard a commotion in the marketplace. He saw a group of people gathered around a storyteller who was telling a tale of a beautiful palace made of gold and precious gems. Omar was intrigued and decided that he wanted to visit the palace. He went back to the carpet shop and told the old man his plan. The old man nodded and helped Omar onto the magic carpet once again. This time, the carpet flew over mountains and valleys, across rivers and lakes, until they finally arrived at the gates of the Golden Palace. Omar was amazed at the sight before him. The palace was made of gold, with sparkling gems set in the walls and gates. As Omar explored the palace, he met the ruler, a kind and generous queen, who showed him around the palace and told him stories of her kingdom. Omar knew that he had found another incredible adventure, thanks to the magic carpet of Baghdad. From then on, Omar went on many more adventures with the magic carpet, visiting far-off lands and meeting new people. He realized that even though he loved his home in Baghdad, there was a whole world out there waiting to be explored. As Omar grew older, he continued to travel and explore the world, always seeking out new adventures and experiences. But no matter where he went or what he did, he never forgot the magic carpet of Baghdad and the incredible adventures it had taken him on. In fact, as he grew older, Omar became a storyteller himself, sharing his tales of adventures with others and inspiring them to seek out their own adventures in life. And whenever someone asked him about the magic carpet, he would smile and say, that was the greatest adventure of all of them. And so the magic carpet of Baghdad became a legend in the city, and generations of children would listen to stories of its incredible powers and the adventures it had taken Omar on. But only a select few knew the truth, that the magic carpet was real and that its powers were waiting to be unlocked by anyone with the courage and sense of adventure to seek them out. The moral of the story: sometimes the greatest adventures are the ones that we take outside our comfort zone. We should always be open to new experiences and never be afraid to try something new. The magic of the world is waiting for us to discover it, and with little bit of courage and a sense of adventure, we can uncover amazing things. And just like Omar, we may find that the best adventures are the ones we never could have imagined. هذه نهاية القصة. أحب أحكي كم جملة في الختام. أنا كتبت هذه القصة والسرد القصصي اللي بيها لأن أنا الصغير والدي كان يجيب لي قصص. من أنا طفل أنا كنت أقرأ قصص لأن والدي وفر لي هذه القصص. العائلة لها دور كبير في توجه الشخص. إذا تريد تكون كاتب، مهندس، دكتور، عاملة بهذه الصفة من هو صغير. أني تشوف هذه القصة خليها امتداد إلي وإلك للأجيال البقية. حاول تزرع بذرة التعليم والقراءة في الطفل، سواء ابنك أو بنتك أو أي شخص آخر، وخلي نبني جيل يتحدث لغتين أو أكثر في السنين القادمة. ومثل ما يقول المثل: They planted and we ate, we sow so they can eat. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.